homeschooling?
It's Corona time, Likkus.
What is Corona?
You need to find it out.
So as you saw when I was doing my homeschooling work, I didn't know what Corona was. Well, let's learn more about it today. And Coronavirus is also called COVID-19, and as you can see in the name, it's caused by a virus that's called Corona. Well, a virus is also a germ that you could only see with a microscope, like fungus and bacteria. Well, for the virus to live, it needs living cells that could be found in animals, trees, and even in us humans. And the coronavirus is more popular on us humans. Well, when a virus enters your body, it starts making copies of itself and spreads it all around our cells and makes us sick. And the coronavirus looks like this. It's really spiky like a crown. The coronavirus spreads really easily. That's why we cannot go to school and to work. Well, it spreads when an infected person sneezes or coughs and 3,000 droplets release. And if the droplets fall on you, that could also infect you. Or if the droplets fall on an object and you touch the object, then also it could infect you. And it could also infect you when you touch the same thing as an infected person did. So the symptoms for coronavirus or COVID-19 are normal cold, dry cough, fever, respiratory problems, and nausea and diarrhea. First step to prevent this coronavirus is to develop a good immunity by eating lots of fruits and vegetables, like a healthy diet. I just came from a shopping mall and that was so much fun. And there are a lot of germs on my hands and I need to wash them so that my hands are nice and clean. And here's a procedure to wash your hands that I learned at school. So first, you're just going to rinse your hands like this. And you need to sing the happy birthday song twice when you're rubbing your soap, like this. Happy birthday to me. And you're going to sing it like that. And you need to clean your hands really well in this procedure. So you rub your palms, and then you rub the back of your hands like this. Next, in between your fingers. And in between your thumbs like this. And there we go. Now we're gonna do our knuckles. And you cannot forget to rinse around your nails like this. And now it's time to rinse. Alright, now my hands are nice and shiny clean. And in places where you cannot find soap and water to wash your hands with, please do use sanitizer. So here I have a sanitizer, and a lot of shopping malls and shops are supporting us by putting sanitizer machines or dispensers in the entrance. So use the sanitizer because that's very important, and rub your hands before going into a shopping mall or shop and coming out once you're done with shopping, because that will keep your hands nice and clean. And when you're going somewhere, you could also use this type of teeny sanitizers, which you could just throw in your pocket or bag or in your car and also in your school bag. And please do maintain a 1 to 1.5 meter distance. And in here, Finland, In shops, they're giving like lines where there's like 1 and 1.5 distance, and we need to stand on the lines. And if you have something like that, please do respect them and use them and stand on the lines to stay safe. For an infected person, wear a mask and gloves. And I hope you'll take all these preventive measures, and please do stay home and stay safe. And if you did not check out my other 3 science videos, they all are linked down below in the description box, so don't forget to check those out. And please do follow me on Instagram. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like, share,